Zor hayat diyor.
Terrible. Handcuffs and shackles.
Cezaevi gibi. Cezaevi gibi. Çok zor bir şey. Erken geliyorum evine. O söylüyor. Relax, dude. You chose the life. You chose the life of luxury.
I did.
Suzan ve Nefertiti.
Yes, Nefertiti. I'm so proud of her. She's a good student. Even though she went to UCLA.
We're going to get
USC.
you going down this year.
Yeah, you're going down.
You're
USC.
going, yeah, you're
USC.
going.
Yes.
Yeah, you're going.
University
we're going
football.
to hit you this
Tomorrow's the
Last
match,
year they-
Unless you
Nebraska.
want to go take one semester in
Well,
your.
he's not a real hard for you.
They ruined their bowl chances last year.
No.
I'll give you a new one.
No, my brother,
Not
the one,
extra.
because that's like another story. I told him, take this one and keep it.
Okay.
Yeah, then when you're like, when I let you buy, one day when I let you know why I told you keep it. He just finished like his